Good morning and talofa lava, everyone. Today we are making SAPASUI. So basically all I need is a pot of water, some bean curds, oh, too close, bean curds, and I put a little splash of olive oil in the pot. Just helps the noodles from ever sticking in case I forget about them or anything like that. And of course, the star of the show, corned beef. Yay! Moo! I hope you like my corned beef. This is from Pacific brand, which comes out of New Zealand, Australia, or something, I think. Or it says product of Australia. But it also says that, let's see. Maybe it's packed in New Zealand, but it comes from Australian beef. Either way, ever since I met my wife, this is Samoan's favorite corned beef. The one with the cow on it, I call it the cow corned beef. I bought this tin of 15 ounces at an Asian store near me. It was $7.99, so $7.99. I don't know if that's a good deal or not. Comment below and let me know, especially if you live near me, where you can find it cheaper. A lot of people add a lot of different mixed vegetables. My wife just likes green beans in hers. This is the green bean with no salt added. Again, you don't need to have one with salt in it if you're putting a ton of soy sauce in your SAPASUI, okay? So my daughter likes it without the green beans, so I kind of pull her stuff out first, and I'll show you that at the end. All right, let's get started. So for today with the SAPASUI, this is more like a light meal. It's not really our official dinner everything, so we're just making the SAPASUI, and we have a little bit of leftover rice as well. So I'm gonna turn it on high, just like you all know, and when it boils, we will add the noodles. All right, the water is starting to boil, so we will put in our noodles. I'm just going to dump those in all at once. There we go. It only takes a couple moments, but let's let it sit in there. My wife's like a little softer noodle, so we'll probably leave it in there boiling for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes. All right, just separating it a little bit, boiling. We've been boiling about for a minute, so about 30 more seconds and we'll be done. Then we can strain it and start preparing the corned beef. Okay, I've turned off the heat. I almost forgot that I need to chop it up some. The noodles aren't so long. These are very clean. They're my cooking shears. I only use them to chop up food things. That should be enough. Okay, I'm over here to drain it. I've got a strainer that fits right into my sink. It has a little lip. Oh man, super foggy. Sorry about that. Did we get it all? We got it all. Okay, let that drain. Okay, now we're gonna start adding the corned beef. Have it right there. I open the can. Just use this fork to help dig it out. Get it all out. I have the heat on a medium. Get all the fat in there as well. No lard, I guess you'd call it. And let's break this up into little chunks. You can do this beforehand, but I don't have a problem doing it right while I'm warming it up. I also like to add a little black pepper, just fine grained black pepper. And also a little garlic sauce. And also a little garlic powder. There we go, not too much. And you're basically going to stir it around on like medium heat until the lard or the fat dissolves and makes almost like a gravy inside the pan. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, didn't chop it up too fine. Still want some nice hearty chunks in there when you're taking a bite. Now let's go add the drained noodles. All right, starting to add the noodles here. Just plop. Put it all in there just like that. And now we're going to stir it up and mix it all up. Oh. That was funny. That was a lesson for everyone. Never try to film too close to your SAPASUI when you're mixing it. Your GoPro or your camera will fall into the SAPASUI. Okay, so of course the moment we've been waiting for, adding soy sauce. This is Kikkoman's low sodium. Of course, you want to add enough so everything is nice and browned. And soy sauce I know is not good for you, but gosh darn it, that's why we love this food. It's looking great. Oh my, it smells like a Samoan buffet in my house. But I'll tell you what, it smells delicious. Alright, let's get plating. Okay, with the SAPASUI being done, I put a little rice in the bowl since this is just like a lunch snack. I'm using tongs so I get some nice big chunks. And one more. Ah, there we go. SAPASUI and rice. Let's see what my wife almost forgot. Add some green beans. My wife don't mind it that way. She'll mix it up with her fork. Okay, and for my wife's, I mixed up the green beans as well. Let's go put this on the table and see what she thinks. I'll let you see. All right, my wife's got her lunch bowl of SAPASUI and rice. Let's see if she likes the SAPASUI. It isn't hard to make, so hopefully she likes it. If she doesn't like it, I need to leave the house. How is it? Good. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Bless all you guys. Alofa atua. Want to say goodbye, honey? Say thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Fasifua.
Bye.